happening here? Hey everyone, it's Vlogmas day 10 and I just got home from work. It is currently it's 7:58 p.m. and Mac is slicing. Mac's slicing some garlic because I will be cooking. So he doesn't cook. I cook better. What he does is the dishes.
I'll cook, but you complain, so you cook.
And some of the what do you cook? The only thing you cook is
simple stuff.
Yeah, he can fry, he can air fry, he can bake salmon, at least that. So that's pretty good. Planning to make some just really simple beef with onion, garlic, and some barbecue sauce. And then I will be making some bitter gourd with egg and tomato. So we have 2 dishes. So that is my plan for today. Yeah, nothing much. But finally I am off after working 3 12s. I'm finally off. I have maybe I think a week off. So I have plenty of time because I've got a lot of things to do. But yeah, I will also be editing our vlog. So Vlogmas day 7 and 8 will be up. But yeah, that's it. So serious. He's so serious. He's just slicing garlic. You know you're just slicing garlic. It's not a big deal. Oh, and look, say hello to Maisie, our doggy bear. Say hello. Oi, looky. Okay, sit. Can you sit? Good job. Can you sit? Hug, Mom. Hug. She already ate dinner and peed, and she's ready for bedtime, actually. What about TB, babe? She got her TB?
Yep.
What? You got everything, so Blair. You got everything, Blair. What else do you want? Why so clingy? What else do you want? Look, she's as big as me. What else do you want? It smells so good. Smell underarm? Smells good too. Smells good, baby bear.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough.
All right, guys. So finally, Mac and I ate our dinner. I will show you. This is the only beef left. So this is just beef barbecue with barbecue sauce. And then I have here the ampalaya for some veggies. What is it? Yeah, bitter gourd. I think it's bitter gourd in English. But I'm not sure. But I'm going to look it up. But I like to call it ampalaya. So I just added some onion, Roma tomatoes, eggs, and a little bit of shrimp paste. Because, you know, just to make it less bitter. Because, of course, it's bitter gourd. It's going to be bitter. But that's about it. Mac is doing, ta-da! Mac's doing the dishes. Mac likes to hand wash. I don't know why. I think he has issues. But you said, yeah, always we've done in the Philippines, we don't have dishwashers. But at the same time, there are just some items that are not dishwasher safe. So that's why, and since it's only the 2 of us, so he's like, he washes them. But I've been telling him, babe, what if you try the dishwasher? And finally he did. So if we didn't move here, he wouldn't have used it. Yeah, because from our old apartment, he never used our dishwasher. I think. For what, 3 years? Yeah, we were there for 3 years. I think he only used it for what, babe? 3 times or twice. I think when we moved, because we have way too many new pots and pans, plates and everything, so we use it. But on regular days, he hand washes the dishes. But now, so much easier, huh? Do you like it? No, finally he's using it. So ever since we moved here, yeah. So okay, that's about it. I think I'm gonna shower. I will be editing our vlogs, and I'm thinking about also. I might be purchasing tickets for Matisse Yahoo concert. It's gonna happen tomorrow. Matisse Yahoo. Yeah, Matisse Yahoo's concert tomorrow. Are you excited to see him? Yeah, so say bye to the vlog. Yeah, I've been a fan since I was in high school, so I'm happy. And I've been like eyeing, because like I think he does concerts all the time here within the Bay Area. I think he's from the Bay. I'm not sure, but I've seen so many multiple concerts of him happening around here. But we never really like decided to pull the trigger and go watch him. This time it's really happening. It's gonna be in Santa Cruz, so we're gonna be driving tomorrow. I will be uploading 2 vlogs tonight. I think 2, I can do it. And then that's about it. See you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 11. Hey, Day 11. I'm happy, I'm so consistent.
Cold enough to make you shiver, but not cold enough to snow. Cold enough to know it's winter, perfect time to say our first hello.